Best microfiber cleaning cloths ensure scratch-free interior detailing, superior dust absorption, streak-free finish, and safe cleaning for delicate surfaces. My today's video is about top 5 best microfiber cleaning cloths for interior detailing that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Homexcel Microfiber Cleaning Cloth 12-pack. These microfiber cleaning towels deliver impressive performance for both car detailing and everyday cleaning tasks. Their high-density fibers provide excellent absorption, effortlessly lifting dirt, dust, and liquids without spreading residue. This makes them especially effective for achieving a spotless, streak-free finish on car surfaces after washing. One of the standout features is their ultra-soft texture, which ensures a scratch-free experience. Whether you're wiping delicate paint, glass, or interior panels, the cloth glides smoothly without leaving marks or swirl scratches, helping preserve your vehicle's shine. The superior absorbency also speeds up drying time, reducing the need for multiple passes. Beyond car care, their versatility makes them equally useful for household cleaning, from kitchen surfaces to furniture and glass. Durability is another strong point. These towels hold up well after repeated machine washes, retaining softness and effectiveness over time. Quick drying and easy to maintain, they offer a reliable, long-term cleaning solution for both automotive enthusiasts and home users. Now our second product is Cerakote Microfiber Towels. The microfiber towels from Cerakote stand out for their exceptional balance of absorbency, durability, and surface safety. Designed with a 300 GSM thickness, they quickly soak up water and moisture, making post-wash drying fast and efficient while leaving a clean, streak-free finish. Build quality is a major highlight. Reinforced edges and durable stitching prevent fraying, even after repeated use, giving these towels a noticeably longer lifespan than standard options. The soft, lint-free microfiber ensures a scratch-free experience, making them safe for delicate surfaces like paint, glass, and interior trims. Another advantage is their machine-washable design, which adds convenience while reducing waste and long-term costs. Even after multiple washes, they retain their softness and performance, proving their reliability over time. Overall, these towels are a solid choice for both car enthusiasts and everyday users seeking high-quality, reusable cleaning tools. Our third product is Green Lifestyle Chamois Cloth. These high-quality microfiber cloths excel in absorbency, making them a reliable choice for both automotive and household cleaning. Designed to quickly soak up and retain large amounts of moisture, they handle spills, drying, and wiping tasks with impressive efficiency. Whether you're drying your car after a wash or cleaning up kitchen messes, the cloths leave surfaces noticeably dry and streak-free. Their dense microfiber structure effectively traps dirt and liquid rather than pushing it around, resulting in a cleaner finish with less effort. This makes them especially useful for tackling stubborn stains or heavy spills without repeated wiping. In addition to performance, the cloths feel soft and gentle, ensuring safe use on delicate surfaces like glass, paint, and countertops. Their versatility stands out. They transition seamlessly from car detailing to everyday household tasks. Overall, these microfiber towels offer strong absorption, practical usability, and dependable results, making them a valuable addition to any cleaning routine. Now, number 4, Chemical Guys Workhorse Professional Grade Microfiber. The Chemical Guys Mic 35303 microfiber towels deliver professional-grade performance for both enthusiasts and detailers. Sized at 16 by 16 inches, these cloths are perfectly balanced for washing, drying, and precision detailing across paint, glass, chrome, and interiors. What sets them apart is the ultra-soft, plush microfiber blend. It gently lifts dirt and debris without scratching, making them safe for delicate finishes and high-gloss surfaces. The high-pile fibers enhance absorbency, quickly soaking up water, wax, and detailing sprays while minimizing streaks and spotting. Durability is another strong point. Reinforced stitched edges resist fraying, allowing the towels to withstand repeated washing without losing effectiveness. This makes them a cost-efficient, long-term solution. Their versatility adds real value. You can use them for drying, polishing, interior cleaning, or even household tasks and pet drying. The pack of 3 is practical, letting you assign each towel to different jobs for better hygiene and efficiency. Overall, these towels combine softness, strength, and performance in one dependable package. And our last choice is Ordi Microfiber Cleaning Cloth. These microfiber cleaning cloths deliver an excellent blend of softness, performance, and versatility, making them a dependable choice for both car care and household use. The ultra-soft fabric effectively lifts dirt and particles using just water or mild cleaners, reducing the need for harsh chemicals while still achieving a fresh, like new finish point. One of their standout qualities is exceptional absorbency, capable of holding up to 7 times their weight in liquid. This makes drying faster and more efficient, whether you're working on a car surface, windows, or kitchen areas. Despite repeated washes, the towels retain their softness and performance, highlighting their durability. The lint-free construction, made from a balanced polyester and polyamide blend, ensures a scratch-free cleaning experience on delicate surfaces like paint, glass, and electronics. The 24-pack with multiple colors adds practicality, allowing easy task separation. Reusable and machine washable, these cloths offer long-term value, convenience, and eco-friendly cleaning in one reliable package. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.